So today, you guys, we're doing a fun little review of these DIY wooden cars. So this product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So these are paintable. Not only that, look, they actually roll. There's a bunch of different designs in the box. Let's see if we can pull out a couple of them. They're all so cute. So you could use these as craft projects for your kids, something fun for you to do. You could let your kids each paint one, and then they could race them. And would you look at that? There's a cute little car all painted. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. And they still, look at, they still roll.
They remind me of?
What?
Remember the Boy Scout cars?
Yes, they remind me of Pinewood Derby cars.
Pinewood Derby, that's the word I was
Yes.
looking for. We used to make them, so.
Yeah, they do. They remind me of Pinewood Derby cars. So Greg is over here, and he's got a little...
Truck. I think it's a truck.
Yeah, you can make it look like a truck.
I can.
The nice thing is you can make it look like whatever you want.
I want another red one.
Yeah, so like I said, you can paint them. They're actually pretty cute. I love that the wheels move. I think that's my favorite part. You can actually play with them. Your kids would have a lot of fun with these. Heck, we're adults and we're having fun with them. So let me get a couple more of these painted and show you guys what they look like. So while Greg is painting another car for us, I wanted to clarify there are 4 different designs. This is design number 1. This is design number 2. Design number 3. This one looks like a tractor or a truck. Like I said, paint it to whatever you want. And then design number 4.
That's the one I'm painting now.
Woohoo!
It's gonna be a school bus.
Oh, look at that! That one's gonna be pretty cool. Look at it! I want to call it a yellow submarine. It's not a yellow submarine, it has wheels on it. It's a bus. And the wheels on the bus
Go round and round.
go round and round, round and round. It had a dog hair stuck in it. Surprise, surprise.
Something stuck on it.
Yeah, it was a dog hair. So, like I said, super cute little wooden DIY cars. If you guys are looking for a fun little craft project for yourself, for your family, for your classmates, I don't know. It's super cute, they're super fun, and we recommend these.